Good Sunday morning, almost afternoon, everyone. It is a very cold day. It's like a day in Siberia. I've been saying it's like the Arctic Circle has relocated because look at these numbers. I mean, east of the mountains right now, temperatures above zero or even in the low teens, but that's all we're going to get today. So in the northwest, places like Bradford, 9 below zero for the actual temperature right now. This is a very cold air mass in place. And if you thought this morning was cold, tomorrow morning is going to be even colder as the core of that cold sits over us. Factor in wind to those temperatures and you get wind chills well below zero everywhere. 12 below, it feels like in Allentown right now. It feels like 32 below zero in Bradford. And this is dangerous cold. And this is cold that can give you frostbite really quick. And we are under wind chill advisories and warnings for the next 24 hours almost, because the winds are not going to let up just yet. We are going to be talking about another morning of this. In fact, the temperatures tomorrow morning will be even lower on their own. In Allentown, we will be waking up to 5 below zero for the temperature. That's not the wind chill. The normal low is 22 degrees. So this is not normal. In fact, the record is 7 below from back in 1943. It's going to be very close. If the winds die down enough, we could do it. 11 below in Mount Pocono tomorrow morning, 5 below in Lancaster, even 0 in Philadelphia would be a record, 7 below in Flanders. This is frigid air. Thankfully, this is going to relax once we get into tomorrow afternoon. In a way, the winds, though, will be continuing. This is the future wind gust from our future weather computer. Notice by this evening, still gusting to 27 miles an hour in Allentown. Gusts well above 30 also in isolated spots, and that's going to continue into the overnight. Look at by Monday morning, still gusting near 30 miles an hour, but thankfully by Monday afternoon, these gusts will slowly be subsiding, and then we will begin to lose that intense wind chill factor. But going forward, that wind chill warning continues until 10 a.m. Monday. Wind chills ranging across the state between 10 below and 35 below. Allentown definitely closer to that 10 below, but that still gives you potential for frostbite in 15 minutes on exposed skin. So please bundle up if you're going outside. Wind chills tonight below zero. And then overnight, they get much worse. 17 below by the time you're waking up Monday to head out to work or school. Probably going to be some school delays and closures because of cold like this. And then during the day, it takes a while to get better, still only feeling like about 8 degrees come Monday evening. On top of all this, accumulating snow is possible in the forecast. By tomorrow, an area of low pressure will be tracking across the southern tier of the country. Right now, it's a wave in Texas, but precipitation will be blossoming with this through the midsection, a winter storm for the Tennessee Valley, parts of the Carolinas and Virginias, and then this begins to turn up the coast. There's still a question as to how far to the north and west it makes it, but I think some snow will get into the Lehigh Valley. It is pretty clear, though, that the heavier accumulation will be to the south and east for a change across places like South Jersey toward Philadelphia, but I think enough moisture will get up northwest of the Piedmont to bring some accumulating snow Monday night into Tuesday for the Lehigh Valley. The exact amount still a little bit uncertain. Overnight, challenging record cold. The winds keep whipping. Actual temperatures ranging from 7 below to 2 below, but with the wind, it will feel more like 15 to 20 below. Any more good news? Monday, we get into the teens, but the winds finally begin to subside, 5 to 15 miles an hour, so wind chills in the single digits to around 0. We get a little bit better as we go through the week. Tuesday, chance of some snow, temperature up to 25. But the next Arctic blast is in sight. Some snow showers could linger into Wednesday, but that ushers in the next blast of cold, which will rival this one. Thursday, 13. After starting off at 2, Thursday night, we go below 0 again. Friday, 16, and then by Saturday, the next chance of snow moves in. So this is definitely a very winter-like 7-day forecast. Stay warm and stay safe.